Hello, my name is Gabby Studebaker, and I'm a master's student in the Department of Botany and Plant Pathology at Oregon State University. One of my projects is to test the relationship between different densities of root knot nematodes Meloidogyne chitwittii and Meloidogyne hapla on potato yield and quality. We can test this relationship with a field trial such as this one. This field was planted in the spring with 3 varieties of potato and 3 densities of nematode eggs. Our video about planting and inoculation is linked below, but today we're going to walk through the process of potato harvest, so let's get started. Before we can start harvesting, we need to take some samples using a soil probe to determine how many nematodes are currently present in the soil. The collected soil is then saved in a bag for future processing, and now we're ready to start harvesting. Using a potato harvester, we travel through the field digging up the potatoes, which then travel along conveyor belts to allow workers to remove collected rocks, soil clumps, and plant material before the potatoes are collected in bags for future grading. We can now grade the potatoes, which starts with a conveyor belt ride to the top of the potato sorting machine. Grading is the process of evaluating subsets of tubers from each potato variety, nematode species, and the different densities for external and internal quality and total yield of the tubers. At the top of the conveyor belt, the potatoes get dropped into a rotating drum. Then they get dumped out onto a rubber mat, which allows stray plant material or undersized tubers to fall through before they get to the grading belt. The potatoes get sorted into 5 weight classes: less than 4 ounces, 4 to 6 ounces, 6 to 10 ounces, 10 to 20 ounces, and culls. Once sorted, the potatoes are released onto a scale to determine the total weight of each weight class. Next, we count the number of tubers per weight class. Tubers from the 10 to 20 ounce and 6 to 10 ounce categories are then used to assess internal defects and determine the potato's specific gravity. Evaluation of internal defects requires the potatoes to be cut in half to visually assess the flesh. Defects we are looking for include hollow heart, brown center, internal brown spot, black spot bruise, vascular discoloration, and translucent end. Specific gravity is calculated using the air and water weights of the potatoes. This measurement tells the growers of the overall processing quality. The tubers used to determine specific gravity are then allowed to dry before they are bagged and placed into cold storage for 3 months to replicate the potato storing process. Now that the nematodes have had more time to develop, we can start looking for infection. You can check out our planting and grading videos below. Thanks for watching.